All right, buddy. Here we have an inequality. All right, and the inequality says this: 13 is less than x. So 13 is less than x. Determine whether each value of x makes the inequality true. Select yes or no for each value. So we're going to take each value at a time and see if it makes the inequality we have highlighted true. All right, we're going to see if this bad boy here is true for any value of x that we're given. So let's go with the first one, negative 40. So we have to do this. 13 is less than negative 40. Well, here the answer is no, because 40 is a negative number, and a negative number cannot be bigger than a positive number. So the first one's no. Let's try the next one. 13 is less than 0. Well, 13 is a positive number, and any positive number is bigger than 0. So 13 is not less than 0. That's not true. Next one. 13 is less than negative 5. Mister, why do we keep replaying the 13 and not the x? Well, each value of x, so x is all these numbers right here. All of those numbers is a value of x. So we have to replace or substitute these values into the inequality right there. That's why I leave the 13 and I replace the x instead. So is 13 less than negative 5? Absolutely not. It is not. Let's try the next one. Is 13 less than 13? No, because 13 is equal to. But we're not asking if it's equal to. We're asking if it's less. So the answer is no again. And let's check the last one. 13 is less than 21. Yes, it is true. This one's true. I just want to reiterate something. All right, now that we have completed our table, let's just change the conditions here. Let's say it was 13 is less than or equal to x. In the case for 13, is 13 less than or equal to 13? Well, it's not less than, but it is equal to. So if we were given this symbol instead of this one, the original one, then this is true. 13 is less than or equal to 13, but we're not, right? So it cannot be less than 13. It's equal to 13. So remember, these symbols, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, all of these are examples of inequalities. All right? So just remember that. The line in the bottom means or equal to. So it just has to fulfill one of those conditions, and it'll be true. But yeah, that's this problem.